Hello everyone, welcome to Whitestone Game, and this is my second tutorial. So I'm gonna be showing you how to use MSI Afterburner in ASUS TUF A15. It is not necessary to make tutorial videos how to use MSI Afterburner in ASUS TUF. It's similar to every laptop, but if you have ASUS TUF A15, this 4600H Ryzen 5 processor with 1650 Ti NVIDIA graphic card, so I have that same laptop. So I'm gonna be showing how to overclock and use MSI Afterburner on that laptop. So yeah, let's go to this link. I will give you this link in description, or else simply you can type download Afterburner. So you come here, you can also use Dragon Center. Well, I will make video on Dragon Center later. So download the MSI Afterburner. Just click on this tab. Just save this. Alright, once it get downloaded, just right click and go to show in folder and just extract it and delete this, and just go inside and here's the setup file. Just open this and click yes. Just install this. Alright, once it get download, just take show readme if you want to read this files details. So run MSI Afterburner, just click on finish and MSI Afterburner software will open. Okay, so this is MSI Afterburner, same as you can see, same as they shown the image on their website. So once you come in this page, this tab, so just as you can see, you can increase your performance. As you know this laptop comes with AMD graphic card, standalone graphic card, that is R5M430. so that is just basic graphic card. So this is for AMD Radeon graphic card. As you can see, AMD Radeon graphic card. So you can increase performance, the core clock of your GPU, memory clock of your GPU, and all you need to do is to go this setting and just click this NVIDIA graphic card, your actual graphic card, 1650 Ti, and now see the difference, this core clock and memory clock. As you can see how much overclocking I can do in this GTI Ti, actually 1650 Ti, this GeForce GTX 1650 Ti. If I do this overclocking, I can get 100 FPS plus on each game, especially games like Battlefield 5, right, for FIFA 21, like that. But I want to recommend you, if you are under warranty 1 year as me, I just purchased this laptop and just I think 4 or 5 months over completed, so I am under warranty. So I will never recommend you to use this memory clock overclock. Leave this like this. Just use your Armory Crate options. This, if you don't have Armory Crate, I will give you the link in description. I will make separate video on that, how to increase performance on Armory Crate. So that Armory Crate, this one will not increase your, it will not overclock to increase the performance. It will be in this settings only. As you can see, by default settings without overclock, it will just increase the performance from laptops gaming settings. This Armory Crate used to increase the performance, so I will not recommend you to overclock your laptop. You can use one option, that is fan sync. So you can click this and you can click on tick, so it will save it. You can save also, and yeah, it's saved the profile one. Yeah, so it's saved on profile one. Yeah, whenever I will click this settings will apply fine. So what this fan sync will do, it will sync your GPU fan speed according to your GPU performance. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. You should never use overclocking. I already used my one laptop, I overclocked, that is AMD laptop R5M330. so that laptop is completely gone. So please don't overclock your laptop. That's what I will say. You can overclock this. As you can see how much bit I have, but I will not recommend you. One more tip I will want to give you. just click your laptop's function key and press F5, so you can see different modes. It has 4 different modes: Windows, Silent, Performance and Turbo. Windows is for normal tasks, Silent is for saving batteries, and Performance is for normal gaming purpose, and Turbo just increase your fan speed under this default setting, and it will give you more performance. So I will make different videos on that, on this armory crate. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure to hit that like button, comment down below your doubts, and don't forget to subscribe White Stone Game.